Huh?
I'm gonna try a little bit.
After it's done, yeah. Of course I gotta try
How do
it.
you make it?
Add some yellow mustard.
Yellow mustard?
Yep.
What? I haven't tried mustard
I'm
before.
gonna add some W sauce.
Double
Worcestershire sauce. Like, hey, eat your breakfast.
Mom, we eat your breakfast. So, what you're
Much,
making
but oh well.
is your breakfast.
Add brown sugar.
Brown sugar?
Nothing.
I use space one. And I use space one.
Okay, I think this is enough. Yo, if this comes out good, I'm never buying barbecue sauce again. I even have some barbecue spice sauce seasoning that one of my friends gave me. Add that in there.
Now that in there.
I got some paprika.
No, you don't. We didn't.
Then
we
I have
don't
some
have paprika.
onion powder.
Onion powder.
Probably some more. Got some of my trio. Salt. Garlic powder. And black pepper. Okay, let's see how this come out, y'all. We're gonna mix it all together and hope for the best. Even if it don't come out like a barbecue, at least it's still gonna be a good sauce to put on my my pulled pork. This is my pulled pork. I'm gonna cook it in the crock pot. And my crock pot's already preheated to low, so I'm just gonna open